Art, a medium to convey our feelings, emotions, and expressions. Dear students, as we have done many forms of art, so today we are going to start with another form of art, and that is 3D art. For that, what we require is pencils, eraser, tissue paper, an earbud, scale, smudging tools. These are not at all mandatory. You can use earbud and tissue paper also instead of these smudging tools. Now, first of all, what we have to do is we have to fold the sheet like this. Please press your sheet properly so that the fold line should be clearly visible. I am pressing it with the help of a pencil. So you can see that a kind of a card is ready. As I am going to make an architectural structure, so for that what we require is a scale for perfect drawing. So you can see I have drawn a line with the help of a scale, and now I am going to do light line drawing with the help of the pencil. To draw stairs. Now, dear students, 3D art. What is 3D art basically? 3D art, the word is three-dimensional. Okay, it is that form of art through which the things which we draw, which we sketch, they appear to be real. Okay, we have done 2D art, that is two-dimensional art. That is what we are doing in our art file. Okay, but there is slight difference in 2D and 3D art. 3D art is that in which the things have the three-dimensional effect. Whatever sketch we make, they gives a three-dimensional effect as if they are the real objects or real scene. Okay, you all might have observed that I made a fold of this sheet, and then half of the sketch I have drawn at the upper fold of the sheet and half of the sketch I have drawn at the lower fold of the sheet. This you have to observe carefully, and you have to draw this 3D art in this way. Okay, as this is an architectural structure, so I am using scale. If you are drawing anything where scale usage is not required, then for that also please start with the light line drawing first of all, and then start with the dark line drawing once your sketch is complete, right? So you all are clear with the concept. What is 3D art basically? The movies nowadays which you people are seeing in the cinemas, they are 4D, 5D, right? So the 4D, 5D concept, it has come from 3D. Okay, the real effect of the cartoonic figures, the real effect of the things which we have never seen. Okay, so that art is called 3D art. Okay, and very important in 3D art is our observation. Like even if we are drawing an apple, so for that we have to observe properly the shape of an apple, the light and shade of that particular object. Okay, so that we can give that 3D effect in that real effect in that object, right? You might have seen on some of the book or notebooks cover, which is very common, a picture of a water droplet. right? So you might have observed also that real effect through that water droplet. So that is the perfection which is required in 3D art, right? That transparency, that softness, that all. Basically this term is this is a technical term which has you might have heard the word animation. So 3D art has come from there. Now our sketch is almost done and we are going to start with the shading. You can see 2 shading pencils are there in my hand. As you all are the beginners, so that's why we have started with a simple sheet and simple pencil shading. But if you get perfection in this, then what else you can use? You can use poster colors for the dark effects. Okay, instead of the dark pencil, you can use black poster color to give the dark tone and leave the light portion white. So that way also you can give that effect. So you can see that I am doing darkest dark tone in that area which is the most darkest area, that is behind the door, right? So I am doing dark shading there and outlining the lines dark with the darker pencil. You can use 8B, 10B, 12B or charcoal pencils also. And instead of black poster color, you can also use charcoal sticks for the darker tones. And you can see at the sides what I have done, just strokes of the dark pencil, right? Because this area is comparatively light to the area which I have done dark. Okay, so to show the difference, I made those strokes with the pencil there, and behind the door what I'm doing is the darkest dark tone. Near the handle, now I'm giving little bit touches of that shadow part. Similarly here, right? And at the upper portion of the door, the design part is there. I am going to give the touch-ups there or strokes there only with that dark pencil. Okay, outlining again with dark pencil to highlight that area. That is very important, beta. You have to highlight the things. Now comes the very important part, that is spreading the shade. That what I am doing with an earbud. Okay, what I have done, I have taken that dark tone and spread it in the lighter area. Similarly here. Now what is the purpose of doing so? It helps us to remove those hard strokes of the pencil and makes our tones soft, right? Similarly here, now you can see which tool is in my hand. This is smudging tool. It has a shape of a pencil. Again, I'm repeating, students, please don't pressurize your parents to buy these smudging tools from the market, right? You can use earbud also. I was having these smudging tools, so I wanted my students to see these things, the art material which are available in the market. Okay, I just wanted to show you people. Okay, otherwise please, it's not at all mandatory. Again and again I'm repeating, you can use earbud for the smudging, you can use tissue paper, or you can use your finger also for smudging, right? But please avoid using the finger because it gives marks on your rest of the sheet also, and then your sheet will get spoiled. Okay, so you please try to use earbud or tissue paper. Now at the sides, again the tones, the strokes with the pencil. Now just imagine in your mind, if you have used you would have used here black color, black poster color, or charcoal sticks. So what effect would you have got? You can try the same sketch with the black poster color also, then you can see the difference. Now again I am going to make these strokes soft by using earbud, just spreading the tones. Like this. Here again I am changing the side of the earbud. See, now that softness has come. Now outlining with the dark pencil. Similarly here at the sides. Now the lines there. Again smudging with the help of an earbud. Just picking up the shade from the darker area and then just giving that shade, that effect of light and dark with the help of this earbud. Okay, so our composition is almost done. Now what is left is, this is left. Yes, this is what I wanted to show you, the effect of 3D. So you can see that that fold has made those stairs real. I hope the concept is clear to all of you, that 3D effect is visible, right? So you can practice this kind of art on your own. You can see this one more picture is there. I have done this with charcoal stick. You can also try with kajal also if you want to. Okay, so this is 3D art. Please try on your own, practice on your own. I am 100% sure you all will love this kind of art. Okay, this topic, please practice on your own and share your work with me. Fine, thank you, bye bye and take care.